Wishing you a very happy new year. It was a gloomy year, isn't it, 2021? But now, in the new year, if you are looking for a best job, a better package, a better position, or a new career, watch this video till the end because I'm going to uncover top 6 job search trends for 2022 you should prepare for. I'm going to post such videos throughout 2022. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on LinkedIn so that you don't miss out this information. Now let's start. Top 6 job search trends for 2022. First, it's going to be job seekers market. So great, isn't it? Many industries like IT industry, well-funded startups are hiring like crazy. They are giving crazy salary packages. But be careful. You should know why you want that next opportunity. Don't just say I want a better salary. Identify your why with utmost clarity. And the second is you should be able to articulate why they should hire you, not others. If you are clear on these two, then you can go for it. Even negotiate a bit. This is one skill, negotiation skills. If you can master as a job seeker, you can grab much better salary package and even a better work-life balance in the bargain. The second job search trend is going to be asynchronous hybrid working model. It's here to stay. We have been now working like this for about 2 years, working on our own, wherever we are. This is going to continue. To attract better talent, companies are giving hybrid work option to many employees. But in this new scenario, you should have the necessary skills to deal with this, to be more productive and even collaborative. Working on your own, you should be self-driven, self-motivated. Your time management skills have to be good. You should be able to find your own path working on your own. But at the same time, you should be able to collaborate with your team members sitting across the world. Now, third job search trend is going to be more emphasis on soft skills. LinkedIn Learning Report already puts emphasis on soft skills, sometimes even higher than hard skills. Earlier, people used to consider soft skills only important for customer-facing roles. But now, from junior level hiring to senior level executives, C-level executives, companies are going to consider soft skills even more. Soft skills like communication, creativity, leadership, problem solving, and even adaptability. Make sure you highlight these soft skills during all interactions, your resume and interviews, all interactions with the hiring managers. And don't just put those words, but back them up with claims, with some scenarios. Put equal emphasis on soft skills as much as on hard skills. Now, fourth job search trend is going to be culture matters too. I know you will always go for that job which gives you much better salary package, isn't it? But be careful. Culture matters also. Otherwise, if you will get into a job you won't like, it won't match with your value system, your belief system, and you will not be happy and you will be back to job search mode all over again. So you can find out about culture, about the company's culture by directly asking questions during the interviews. For example, find out how did they handle work-life balance during the pandemic? How did they give flexibility to employees? We will be seeing more and more pandemic waves. Are they prepared for it? How do they give chances to employees for betterment of their career, training, and other things? So make sure you ask these questions, open-ended questions, to judge the culture as well. Now, fifth job search trend is going to be skill up or pivot. Companies are now looking for very specific skills in new age areas and not just generic role oriented knowledge. Artificial intelligence, algorithms are going to be even more pervasive in all parts of business. Whatever can be automated will get automated. So think about it. Do you know what your skills are? Do you need to upskill yourself? Are you good with technology? Are you knowledgeable about new technology which is coming up in your field? Are you thinking to pivot, to make a career change? This is the best time to upskill yourself or pivot. So go for it. This is the best time. And the sixth job search trend, sixth job search trend is going to be online presence matters even more. This remote hiring, online hiring is here to stay, isn't it? Have you looked up yourself on Google? Because recruiters are. They are checking you online, on Google, on LinkedIn. What does your LinkedIn profile say? All recruiters are already using LinkedIn to vet candidates, to check your profile even before they shortlist you for interviews. So what does your online reputation look like and how to improve it? You think virtual interviews, online interviews are very easy. No, it's very difficult to make that first impression, to build rapport, to convince the employer. It is difficult to nail that virtual interview. Are you prepared for it? Alright, so these are top 6 job search trends to look out for in 2022. Of course, every company, industry, role has specific requirements and intricacies. So you will have to do your own research for your particular case, isn't it? So if you like this video, do press that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on LinkedIn. I wish you my best wishes for this new year. May this new year bring the best job and the dream career for you. Until next time, bye bye.